Hey guys, if you are wondering how to get a dark always on display like I am, I can show you real quick. It's pretty easy. The setting is kind of hidden because it's not in the settings app. It's in the focus modes. So the way you do this is first unlock your phone, and then you come in to your focus modes. Any focus mode you want to do will work. You can create a new one if you'd like, or change any of the ones that are already there. You go into settings, you go into options, and then it is dim lock screen. So if I were to disable that and then lock the phone, it's now the normal always on display versus versus coming in, dim, and then locking it again. So now it's completely black except for the text and notifications that you would get.